Wednesday, and today I am going to be showing you my two slimes. Okay, one is Crazy Slimy Tie-Dye, and another one is Rainbow Putty. This one's pretty interesting, so I'm going to open it first. So, this one comes in all colors of the rainbow, and it's pretty jiggly. So, yeah. So, look at all of this. So this first one, it comes in their cup. So we open that, and then it's pretty messy right now. It's really messy, but it's right here. Like, I'm trying to like get it out, but it won't really do it. Okay, so yeah, we got that, and yeah, and then it keeps on going and stuff. So, and then we got the orange. Ooh, that came out smooth. So it's right there. Got that orange, and we are going to open the rest at the end of the video. So yeah. Oh shoot. Okay, let's try to mix these two, I guess. So, ooh. Let's see what color it makes. Does it really make anything? It's making like a sort of like orangey, like it smells so good. Look, it made this color. Okay. Okay, now we got this one. This one's pretty messy. So look at this. Blob. Okay, you guys are gonna see this so satisfying. Oh! This is a really big slime, guys. It's really jiggly and stuff. And it's so fun. This one's pretty big for my hand, but look at this. Ugh. Okay, let me kind of do that again. That's so funny. I just put my hand and squished it down and stuff. Okay. Shoot. Guys, the slime got stuck on my... Guys, this is messy slime, I'm warning you. I'll pick that up later. Okay, so we got that. Now let's kind of get that out. For like, okay, there we go. And Jesus. Okay, these got out, I guess. No. This slime is really messy. I'm warning you guys. Slime on everything. Do not get this slime. This is the worst slime ever. Because it got on my stuff. Okay, so you know what? We're not going to open one of these. But I guess that's the slime. The messy slime. This is the clean slime. I don't know why they didn't call this messy slime. But, ooh. Okay, you know what I'm doing, okay? Let's mix it. It just made this color. This makes it really good. This is what it's literally doing to my stuff. It's literally sticking on everything. Slime is good and stuff. Okay, now let's mix it with the yellow. Oh, smooth. Yellow. Bro, I'm trying to get this one. It's stuck. It's the purple one. Pretty messy, y'all. But we'll do a part 2 to get the purple one out. Yes. Okay, guys. I kind of made a mess. Because look. Look at this. Look at all that. And over here. Like literally right there. That slime's pretty messy. Y'all should totally agree. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to me. And bye. Peace out.